This video is brought to you by Against the Flow of Mississippi. Against the Flow of Mississippi is a book about Jake Fayard, a Marine veteran who is unhappy with the political machine running the state of Mississippi. He decides to fight the corruption from the inside. Jake will face more challenges than he ever has and will stand up for what he thinks is right. His notoriously hot temper will push him to the edge of murder, along with his friend and brother Kobe Barhanovich. Together, they will fight the system and give the power back to the citizens of Mississippi. Against the Flow of Mississippi is now available on Amazon. A link to the book will be placed in the description below. All right, y'all. So, in preparation for the CQWPX contest, I wanted to go over the logging software. The logging software I am using is from Scott, N3FJP. You could get this software at N3FJP.com. You do have to pay for it. I use all of his software for any contest, and also my regular log. I'm going to show you my regular log that I got from him. And I just want to do this video because I believe in what he's done. He didn't ask me to do this for him. We have conversed, but it's been several years. But he's a nice guy. Very knowledgeable. If you look on here, what this is actually a very powerful piece of software. What this software does is it allows you to obviously log your contacts in. Most of these are, probably all of them are on HF, at least what's here. There's one 6-meter contact I made. Right there, a couple to 6 meters, a 2-meter sideband contact. Anyway, I like it because it's simple. It's easy to use. If I was going to work, let's say, W5BLX, which obviously is my call, but say I worked them on 6 meters. Boom, it's already got the time. And it logs the time in UTC, which is good because this is what time you would normally log it in would be in UTC time. Of course, it automatically puts in your power at 100 watts, which is, usually you're running 100 watts. Time on. Your sent and received signal reports. Let's just say you didn't get a 5.9. Let's say you were a 5 and 2, or they were a 5 and 2, and that's what you sent them. And say you were a 5 and 6 on the receive. They sent you a 5 and 6. You can manually put that in. Let's say if you know the operator's name, Anthony, and Florida. Let's say you know the county. Let's put Clay County in here. Okay. Yeah, Clay County. Boom, that pops up. Let's say if you want to get real crazy and put the frequency in. Let's see. I got 6 in there, so 50.125. Other, let's say I want to put the grid in there, EM90. Okay, that's if I want to put all that in there, right? All right, logged contact, boom, it's logged. Boom, there it is. Okay? Go to awards. You can get your awards tracking. Going on here, I'm just going to do everything that I've ever had, which is all 3,833 contacts that I have logged into this logging program. Go to counties. I've got 567 worked U.S. counties. I guess I'm not a very good county hunter. 15 years, and that's what I've got. How many DXCC countries I've worked? I've got 178 countries that I have worked. Got 162 remaining. Say I want to know what's confirmed. Okay, so I would click on QSL received. Go from there. You see everything changes. 145 worked, 195 remaining. Oh, and this is listed only valid entries. Let's change that because there are a few that are no longer valid that I have worked. Got all 6 continents. I've got 35 of the 39 zones confirmed. Or 35 of the 40 zones confirmed, excuse me. 51 states. DC is included in that. All right, let's see here. Let's say I wanted to go 1010 grids, etc., right? Calculate. 52 ITU zones, 941 prefixes worked. 31 ARRL sections worked. I'm not quite sure what this is, but okay. Grids, 500. IOTAs, got those too. All right, let's say I wanted to upload, okay? Say I want to upload to LOTW. If you are fortunate to have LOTW, you can upload the LOTW software from here. Let's go if I want to upload the entire log. You know what? How about all contacts not uploaded? Okay, we'll just do that one. Do new QSOs only. Boom, now it's uploaded. Now, you could download your confirmed. I always go back a few days. Let's go back to the 20th of March. Click OK. Retrieving records. This takes a second. Boom. Looks like I got a new one that was confirmed. Balearic Islands. Or I can go and hit all data. This part takes a while, especially on this slow computer. This is going to take a long time, so probably going to fast forward through this part on the video. All right, so we got this here. Shows all the data that's come off of LOTW, and boy, is it extensive. All right. Now, click done. And there it is. Hope y'all have enjoyed this. Let me go back to the contest software for a minute. All right, on a CQWPX, this is why I like using this, okay? I'm going to work W5BLX 59. When you get your serial number, it's going to be the number of the contact that you made, 001. All right? Hit enter. Boom. Now W5 is confirmed. Shows up in the log. Now let's say I work KN6TC. Got to give homage to a good friend of mine who is unfortunately no longer with us. Jim, I miss you, buddy. Put that in there. Now it logs that. That's another point. Shows your points. Your rate, QSO's last hour. Total score, whatever. Now, let's say I work N3FJP 003. Boom. And that's what he's giving me. What you're going to give them is this number over here. If it's a single digit, 001, 002, 003, that's what you're going to tell them when you make contacts. And if you get confused, just look down here. It'll tell you. Okay? Now, say I work a DX country, because obviously that shows USA. Say I work a DX country, C6ABC down in the Bahamas. Now that pops up. And let's say he's going to give me 365. He's made his 365th contact, and I was it. Okay? Let's say I work, one of the big gun stations, E70T. All right? He might say, I'm his 5,652nd contact. Boom. And you see how this works. You see your score multiplying. You see your QSOs, it's going up. I mean, you're banging. You work them that fast, you doing something. Okay? And it logs all this for you. We've all worked them on 20-meter phone, hypothetically. Let's say we switch bands. Well, to switch bands, I can hit my left mouse button, and it goes up to 15 or 10. Hit my right mouse button, and it goes back down. Goes down to 40, 80, 160, whatever. Say I want to go from phone to, this is phone. It'll show you everything you need to know. I hope this helps out. Next video is going to be talking about DX clusters. Anyway, let me clear these out because obviously I did not work these and the contest has not started yet. All right. Hope y'all enjoy it. 73.